Hi all. So how often should you work out? This is a very common question which is asked to me like a million times. So let us try to find an answer today. So I say you work out every day so that your body literally gets used to it. Like it's a scheduled part of your day and there are no ifs and buts and like it's the time for breakfast, it's the time for lunch, it's the time for your work. Similarly, it's the time for your workout. So your body eventually gets adjusted to the time of the day when you work out daily. So you need to prioritize your workout and schedule it in your day and fix it and change everything around it accordingly. But when you work out every day, how if someday you feel very sore, like your body is too sore to work out and you just cannot do it? So it depends on the level of soreness you're having that day. For example, if your soreness or if your body pains are not very high, then you can just do normal total body stretches and less of body weight strengthening and all, so that you're keeping up with the momentum of the workout and also not straining your body too much. But if your soreness is really high, then of course you can take rest for a day or two. You're just giving your body the time to recover and get back stronger. Of course, to get back stronger, you need to feed it with the right food so that it builds stronger, and also you need to have good amount of sleep hours so that the recovery happens soon. So though you target for a daily workout, listen to your body when it needs rest for a day or two. Otherwise, if you keep on working out regardless of how sore your body is, then one day it will eventually hit the wall, which they say, and your body will give up eventually. So please don't let this happen, because psychologically you will start disliking workout and eventually you will try to avoid doing it. So why don't you prepare your workout pattern in a way that you do not feel fatigue at any time at all? That is, if you're targeting for a daily workout, which is what I suggest, you have to keep 1 or 2 days for lighter workouts, and that is daily workout does not mean you need to train hard every single day. You can keep 1-2 days low-key. So do lighter workouts 1 or 2 days in a week instead of doing high intensity training every single day. Also, if you are into heavy strength training, then make sure that you do not target the same group of muscles every single day. Make sure to give at least 2 days of recovery and rest time for the group of muscles which you have targeted previously. And if you're a person who do heavy weightlifting and like if you're into powerlifting and all, then obviously your body needs 2 days of recovery time for sure. So then you can opt for working out 3 days a week. But many of us do not come into this category. So again, daily workout is the best thing for all of us with the modifications that I've mentioned earlier. Now what if there is no way for you to make time for daily workout? I hear many say this. I believe you can achieve a daily workout regime if you really prioritize self-care in your life. But if at all this is not a possibility for you, like ever, then work out for at least 5 days a week, preferably continuous days, and then give your body rest for the remaining 2 days. If that is still tough for you, then please try to plan workout at least 3 or 4 times a week, which is the minimum that every person should do. So if you are in intermediate or advanced level of working out, then working out 3 or 4 times a week will also show results, given that you are scheduling your workout patterns accordingly. Like you are doing high intensity training on those 3 days of the week, very high intensity training because you're already advanced, then it might work. But if you're a beginner, then you have to keep up with your body mobility every single day. That is, you have to keep improving your momentum. Also, people who have specific health issues, you have to definitely consider your doctor before planning to go on a physical activity. So it's not the personal trainers or it's not the person who trains you at your gym who decides that you can work out or not. It's your doctor or physical therapist or whoever who decides whether you can go ahead and exercise or not. And if your doctor says that you are good to go and you can work out, then please go ahead and work out. And also the frequency with which, how often you'll work out again, will be suggested by the doctor, and it can also be suggested by a personal trainer. So I think I have answered how often to work out for most of the categories. But again, what I suggest is to work out every single day, because your body needs to move in all the functional ways possible on every single day, so that it remains active with the great momentum that it will achieve. Again, when you're working out daily, just take care that you don't train hard every single day, so that you hit the wall one day and your body becomes sore and it gives up. So just plan your workout accordingly and target for a daily workout.